Hi, it's Angeline. Welcome to a brand new crafty video with Unity Stamp, and today I'm going to show you this fun new stamp set called They Built Alive by Terry Jackson and Unity Stamp, which is this cute old couple. Oh my goodness, they are so precious. And I'm using the SMAK kit from the April 2019, and I'm grabbing this tree set today as well. Here it is in red rubber. So first I'm going to grab some vellum here to create my mask, and I'm grabbing a pencil and just outlining where I want to mask it out. And because I want to stamp the trees behind the couple, so that is why I'm creating this mask. Of course, you can also stamp the image again on some scrap paper and just cut out the image and just mask out the couple. So once your mask is ready, just put it on top of the couple and grabbing some inks here. I'm grabbing the Distress Oxide in tumbled glass to just ink some shadows around the couple to create some depth. So next I'm placing the mask on top of the couple again, and then grabbing my tree stamp from my SMAK kit and some Distress Oxide inks here to ink out my stamps. I'm using the Mold Lawn and the Evergreen Bough here to ink up the tree. And of course, you can always use whatever kinds of inks that you already have. So when you are stamping, make sure you hold on to your mask, or you can always add some temporary glue right behind your mask to ensure it does not move when you are stamping. And remove your mask, and ta-da! You have some trees right behind the couple. Here I'm just doing some touch-ups so that there are no white gaps around the stamped images. So you know how sometimes when you take a photo and you say to yourself it's good enough to frame it up? So here, that is exactly what I'm doing with the Avery Elle frame die cuts here, and I am framing the entire photo up. Then I'm inking out my sentiment with some antique linen Distress Oxide inks, and I'm done. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique today, and thanks for watching. Bye!